How's that?
It's good.
How's your cold?
It's better now.
How was it?
It was fun.
Then when?
Tomorrow.
When will he do the work?
Next week.
Who is that?
That's my friend.
Who now?
My brother.
Who knows?
Nobody knows.
Who are they?
They are my classmates.
Who is this?
It's mine.
What's this?
It's a book.
What's up?
Not much.
Since when?
Since yesterday.
When to come?
Come at 5 o'clock.
When will you come?
I'll come at 6 o'clock.
Why not?
Because? It's late.
Why to go to?
See a movie.
Why should I go?
Because it will be fun.
What will happen then?
We'll go home.
So what?
It doesn't matter.
Why use it?
Make work easier.
Why him because?
He's smart.
How often?
Once a week.
What's that?
It's a cat.
What is it?
It's a phone.
What is this?
This is a pen.
Why study?
To learn new things.
Why you?
Because I volunteered.
Who ate?
I ate.
Why us?
Because we're a team.
Who came?
My cousin came.
Why to go to?
Get some fresh air.
Why?
Because I said so.
How to go?
By bus.
Why me?
Just because.
Who is next?
You're next.
How far?
5 kilometers.
For whom?
For my mother.
How old are you?
I am 22.
Then what?
Then we eat.
What's up?
Just chilling.
What now?
We wait.
What happened?
Nothing happened.
For what?
For the project.
How annoying.
Very annoying.
Why now?
Because it's time.
How many?
3.
What about?
About the party.
How long?
For 2 hours.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Need something more?
No, thanks.
Who did it?
I did it.
Who is laughing?
My sister's laughing.
What's that?
It's a joke.
What else?
That's everything.
What to study?
Study math.
Who cares?
I care.
Who am I?
You are you.
How much?
$20.
Who is he?
He's a teacher.
Who is it?
It's me.
What's next?
Homework.
What's for dinner?
Spaghetti.
How to say?
Just say it clearly.
Can I go?
Yes, you can go.
Can you help me?
Of course can I help.
Where to go?
Go to the park.
Where is it?
It's on the table.
Is it far?
No, it's close.
Is it yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Are we late?
No, we're on time.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Do you know?
Yes, I know.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Have you seen it?
Yes, I've seen it.
Have we met?
No, we haven't met.
Is it good?
Yes, it's very good.
Is it bad?
No, it's not bad.
Will it rain?
Maybe I don't know.
Will you come?
Yes, I will come.
Can it work?
Yes, it can work.
Can we start?
Yes, we can start.
Should we go?
Yes, we should go.
Should I bring it?
Yes, bring it.
Is it ready?
Yes, it's ready.
Is it done?
No, not yet.
Do you want to?
Yes, I want to.
Do you need it?
No, I don't need.
Have you been?
Yes, I've been there.
Have you done it?
Yes, I've done it.
Can you see?
Yes, I can see.
Can I have it?
Yes, you can have.
Where are we?
We're at home.
Where to put it?
Put it there.
Is it new?
Yes, it's new.
Is it old?
No, it's not old.
Will it fit?
Yes, it will fit.
Will we see?
Yes, we'll see.